All right, April the 10th. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics again. Diagnostics. There we go. We're working on a full wall slide. It doesn't matter what it's on, but this happens to be a Holiday Rambler 2017-18 Vacationer XE on an F53 chassis. All right, we were up in there before where I showed you all the stuff was messed up. I went over all these papers in the preview right here. And I showed you the motor. Now, we pulled this cap off, rubber cap, you'll see. I had to cut this. Now, this is the electric unrelease. There's an electric clutch, magnetic clutch in there. All right, that locks it. You energize the motor, the clutch comes off. And I made a video of this way back, like 3 years ago or something like that. I'll try to put a reference to it. But you look under slides and electrical testing, it's under there. But see, this here has got to go down. Watch now. It's a little bit of a bear. All right, so there you go. See, just that much. Now watch, if you let go of it, it pops back. So that allows you to turn that 19mm 3/4 hex. All right, so here we go. Put you on pause. All right, so I had to zip tie that down because it kept popping up. So I bet you encountered the same problem. The other thing I've noticed is all these screws were loose. So eventually this whole motor would have come loose, the clutch assembly. And also now we're going to put it on here like this for you. We're going to show you that it moves basically. All right, so here we go. Try to hold it down. Oh, this is pretty bad, huh? There you go. Did you hear it? Did you see it move? Not much, did it? There we go. Let's see if we can do this. Hush up. Stormy. Time's burning, isn't it, huh? There we go. Watch that gear now. And I'm moving it with the... And imagine cranking that thing. And you have to synchronize because there's two separate motors. There's not a continuous shaft going down, which I can see why they didn't. Because look at this thing. Woo! All right. The length of that. That's why it's called a full wall slide. All right, so I got to get the gear off right here. All right, how do I do that? One, I knock this out. It's a press pin. I use these types of tool here. You could use your own drift, but this is a special press pin drift. You see how it's got the little dibby on it? And that grabs that hole right there, right? All right, so you can buy these. These are Mayhew, and that's the part number 62254. I think this set was only like $120 or something like that. Now I take this off, then this comes off, then this comes off, then I pop this clip right here. This Carter key, and then this slides off. Now the Carter key back here stays on it. This is your idler gear. All right, folks, I'm taking all that off because that gear is, look at that thing, got ate up, boy. All right, so this is a video 2 of the Power Gear slide system. Even this motor is used on non-full wall slides. It's used on other systems, and that gear does get busted if you do something wrong. Thank you. This is Jeff from RV Diagnostics. There will be another video after this, troubleshooting the encoders and all that. Now, first, we got to find the gear, and I'll be putting that part number in the comment section below. All right. Thank you very much. It's Jeff from RV Diagnostics.